Ready to unlock the Colonel's secret recipes? Let's cluck on. First up, the classic original recipe. It's all about that 11 herbs and spices mix. Think black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Sprinkle it on, deep fry, and boom! KFC magic at home. Next, let's talk Nashville Hot Chicken. This one packs a punch. After frying, brush on a spicy mix of cayenne, brown sugar, and garlic powder. It's fiery, it's sweet, it's a flavor explosion. And for something a bit different, try the extra crispy tenders. Double coat your chicken in a seasoned flour and buttermilk batter. Fry until golden brown and crunchy. Perfect for dipping in your favorite sauce. So there you have it. KFC's secret recipes, ready for your kitchen. Time to get cooking and impress your friends. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tasty secrets. Happy cooking, foodies!